I'm sure you would agree that right now we are living in uncertain times. Look at this place. It's the middle of the day. Now, home sellers and buyers may be a little hesitant about entering the housing market right now, and understandably so. But what if I told you that the Plano housing market is still very much active today? About like them birds. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the numbers from the Plano housing market and compare it to the previous couple of weeks. Hey, it's me, Gerald, an active real estate agent and investor since 2007. Let's jump right on in. Okay, we're here in the MLS. We're going to look at these numbers. Well, the first thing we're going to do is customize and make sure we have the parameters set up for single family homes, and we're going to make sure we're here in Plano, Texas. I'm going to come over here and save, and we'll bring that so you can see market watch customize. Before we hit these numbers here, let me go back up here and show you what date we're on, so you can see it should be April 22nd on Wednesday, which is right here. Go back to the numbers here, and now you can see that we've actually had 67 sold properties for the previous 7 days and 40 new listings for the previous 7 days. The previous week was April 15th. We had 50 sold properties and 43 new listings for those previous 7 days. And the previous week before that was April 8th, which had 54 new listings and 51 sold properties for those previous 7 days. And as you can see, this week has increased with sold properties and decreased with new listings. So as you can see, properties are still being listed and sold here in Plano, Texas. And that last set of numbers from the previous weekend in April 22nd, you can see there's actually a lot more properties that are selling than properties being listed. Houses being sold are outpacing the houses being put on the market. And that could lead to a supply shortage if that keeps up. Uncertainty may cause some of us to overthink. Just for a second, imagine if the housing market here in Plano went down. The buyers would probably be glad they held out. The sellers may have regret if they needed to sell. Now imagine if all this passes real quick and the housing market starts going back up. Well, the homeowners may be glad they waited, and the buyers might have a little regret. We should always feel confident, not only confident, but comfortable in the decisions we make. If you're in a position you want or need to sell or buy a house, or maybe you just want to talk to somebody about your real estate needs, and give me a call, 682-232-1506. We can arrange a virtual meeting and discuss your options based on your situation. You make the choices and you take it from there. And we can also go over how we're moving properties with everybody's safety in mind. I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy. Take care, and God bless.